Oh yeah, we forgot to look at the radar. Alright, let me put an enhancement on here. And what I want to show you guys on this, I'll probably slow it down. But you can see they're doing ice nucleation. Let me slow this down a little bit. In fact, I'll just stop it and show you. Up here in Montana, Idaho, and Washington, they're doing a different spraying operation. We'll zoom in so you can see that a little better. And then down here's the other spraying operation. Of course, you got spraying all along the storm system. But look, you already have tornado watches or winter storm watches, and there's no clouds around. So they're completely going to fabricate this system with the ice nucleation up here. See, there's no clouds whatsoever, but they're showing winter storm watches already, tons of flood watches, and the storm's way down here in California right now. So let me zoom in on that section so you can see the spraying operation real close. Then I'll back out and show you on the water vapor. It's a different mix. It's showing up as a different color. So you can see all the X's in the sky. They're doing the ice nucleation. So over Idaho, all these areas right here, that's a different spray. You also got spraying going on in Nevada and Utah, along it as well as off the coast of California. Now let me go down south and show you the operation down south. Look at this spraying. Look at this. This is all man-made. All this stuff. That's all created by the aircraft and drones and the toxic jet fuel. A lot of the planes have retrofitted sprayers on them. But look at that. This is all man-made clouds. This whole cloud deck right here is all from the aircrafts. Whether it be the fuel coming out, the exhaust, or if they're retrofitted with the sprayers. And the commercial jet airliners, they can just run the biodiesel and get the same effect, just like the bunker fuel ships. They run on the clean emissions until they get out of sight, then they flick the switch and they run on the bunker fuel. Same thing with the planes. This is all ran by AI. Let's go up a little farther. Let's go up here. You want to stop climate change, stop the planes. These planes, look, the planes have made every bit of this cloud cover. Every bit of it. I mean, that's just grid after grid. Why do they not wreck? That's because they're ran by AI. It's an AI program that tells them when to turn off, when to turn on. Brought to you by Raytheon. So now let me get this a little bigger again. Turn off the enhancements. Now when we go, we'll try the upper level water vapor. This should pull it out. Thanks everybody out there who helps support us, keeps this thing going. Not easy trying to go against the mainstream, that's for sure.